Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your Xiaomi Mi 10, for the first you have to enter Settings. Right now you have to click on the Connection and Sharing, Printing, click on the System Printing Service, and right now our smartphone is searching for the printers, and here it is, our printer. You can connect to the HP Color LaserJet Pro. I can, right? And it will appear your printer. But if you have any problems, you can click on the Add Service. For example, if your Mi 10 cannot find your, for example, the brother printer, right? You have to click on this plugin and download it from the Google Play Store. And when you click back again to the System Print Service, everything will works. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.